slammed into the cars in a real weird bounce, and I was afraid that I was going to, if I crammed on the brakes to keep from getting over the wall, I might flip the truck over. I really don't know what happened. I kind of got shook up and shook around a little bit, so I just dove for the wall. What happened?
I don't know. I hit third gear and I landed on the concrete. I don't know if the throttle stuck or what it was, but I went for the brakes, had nothing. It's just a big mess.
I'll tell you what, you hit that wall hard. I'm just glad it seems like you're all right.
Barefoot wins it! Fair wall!